In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app with AppyPie, step by step. Whether you're a business owner looking to extend your brand's reach or a creative individual with an app idea, this guide is perfect for you. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open your favorite web browser and search for AppyPie in the search engine. Once the results load, click on the official AppyPie link to access their website. As you navigate to their homepage, you'll notice a prominent button that says Get Started. Click on this to begin the app creation journey. Now it's time to enter your business name. This essential step helps personalize your app, providing users with a clear indication of who you are and what you offer. After inputting your business name, continue by clicking Next. This will move you to the next stage of app creation. The next screen asks you to select a category that best fits your business or app idea. Choosing the right category is crucial as it helps tailor the app's features to better suit your needs. Think carefully about where your app fits and then select the category that best matches your vision. Following this, you'll be prompted to pick a color scheme. Your app's aesthetics are vital for making a strong first impression, so choose a color scheme that aligns with your brand. This will help in maintaining consistency in your visual identity. With your brand color in place, proceed to select a test device. You can choose from a variety of devices, which provides an opportunity to visualize and test how your app will look and function on various platforms. Next, to continue building and customizing your app further, you'll need to select a plan. AppyPie offers different plans suited for varying needs. Once you've chosen the plan that best matches your requirements, click Upgrade Now to access the app editor. Upon upgrading, you'll arrive at the App Manager dashboard. In this space, you can manage every aspect of your app. Start by clicking Edit Mobile App to customize preloaded pages like Home and Contact, or to add additional elements such as social media links, photos, audio, and video through the available features list. Once you're satisfied with the content, click on the App Manager to adjust design elements. This includes modifying system pages like the splash screen, navigation, and overall layout, ensuring that your app not only functions well but looks professional too. Now don't